How to make audio sound like it's coming from a set of headphones in DaVinci Resolve 17.4. Inside your Edits window, holding Ctrl and press I to insert an audio file into your project. Use Command instead of Ctrl if you are a Mac user. The music file used in this particular tutorial is provided by the proud channel sponsor AUDIIO. A link to the company's website and a code which can be used to purchase a lifetime supply of music and sound effects at a discounted price can be found in this video's description box. Find the audio file that you've inserted into your project inside the media pool. Click and drag this to your edits timeline. Select your newly inserted audio track. Go to Inspector and underneath Audio, scroll down your Inspector properties to find Equalizer. Activate these property settings by clicking in the box next to Equalizer. Click on Band 1 and Band 4 so that you have 4 numbered circles appearing on your Equalizer grid parallel with 0. Place Band 1 at plus 24 of the gain level and with a frequency of 5000 Hz. Band 2 should be placed at a frequency point of 1K and the gain level around -12. Band 3 should be placed at the frequency point of 4K, parallel with Band 2 at -12 for the gain. Band 4 should be placed at the frequency point of 9K and again parallel with Band 3 and Band 2 on the gain level of -12. Reducing the gain value of Bands 2, 3 and 4 should help reduce the intensity of your sound file. And having Band 1 in the higher frequency range results in your audio file playing with a low volume. If you wish to make your sound file more audible, you can reduce the frequency of Band 1 by clicking and dragging this horizontally towards the left. What this creates is the effect similar to that of headphone speakers being removed from a user's ears, and so the sound volume and intensity increases slightly. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.